Where are you going, ladies? This is interesting because I was in there just a few days ago and they have lots of room. They say that they swarm when they work out that the capacity, the volume that they're in isn't enough. But they have enough room, those guys. That's colony number 3. But this is definitely a swarm. Hopefully they'll swarm into a tree that I can grab them and create another colony. Are you swarming or just having a practice, ladies? Because I think it's more than a practice. Got to keep an eye on them, see where they land, if it's accessible. Watch this space. Second season beekeeper, it took me a tiny little while to work out what I'd done wrong. So when I went into the hive, and I put a little bit of the video after this, when I went into the hive last inspection, I found 5 queen cells. So what happened was I left the queen cells, several hatched out, one decided to stay, and one said to the rest of the colony, hey, we're going to move out and create a new colony. All part of understanding bees. They're much smarter than us. And here is the part of the video where I'd found the 5 cells.
Queen cup 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 capped queen cups.